is not the only skill they know. So, join us today as we show you a glimpse of how truly amazing and intelligent these skills are. Let us now welcome our black lazy bird, Chaco. Chaco is our Bulugan active segment, Kakapuan Mall Sexies. These birds can have an effort in Asia, and they are the largest among the white cockatoos. Come on, Chaco. There you go. The show has officially started. A round of applause for Chaco with Cleaner Dirty. Hello everybody and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Junior Nike. Now, who our next featured birds are just like any married couple, monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Peter left, right? But as any couple will attest in a relationship, there will always be battle. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful girls wearing Bill Hall, and today, they will battle it out to see who's the best in the basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be inviting you into two groups. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls, how do you say? Sassy! 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 And home over the boys. Let's cheer for Rocky! 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 Okay, birds, ready? Cheers, ready, set, go! Here's Dragon's first ball, followed only by Sassy. And second ball for Rocky. Oh, it's a tie. And for the last ball, who's gonna win? And Rocky wins. What a close game. Trainer Regine, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time. Hold it. Who won another race? They won another race, Trainer John.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So, what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the rules.
And one is a ring race.
The first bird will drop 3 rings into the bowl, the fastest one will learn, and that is a ring race.
So, the ring race it shall be. Remember that boys already have 1 point. So girls, the extra louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again, and this time our ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's Robin's first ring. Second ring for Rocky. Oh, what's happening? Sassy pick up the 2 rings. At the same time, Robin set. And the winner is Sassy. Dear John, what can you say about that? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, who thinks you cheated?
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, so it's true. The girls are more indulgent than boys? Alright, well, for Sassy and Rocky, Cheater Machine and Trainer John. Now, guys, who loves math? Everyone here knows addition, right? Well, this next part of the program will leave most people baffled and amazed. Even us trainers. Do you think birds can do math? But before calling mathematical wizard, I'll be needing 2 numbers between 1 to 50. So any numbers between 1 to 50? Okay, the first will be is number 5. How about the second number? Okay, so the second will be is number 20. So the equation is 5 plus 20. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation. But first, Trainer John will shuffle the numbers. And now it's gonna hire the Rocky. Wow, look at that. What a beautiful entrance. Trainer John, is that ready? Go solve the equation for us. Come on, Rocky. You can do it. And Rocky gets the first number. Correct. But how about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers. Oh, I think he knows the answer. And Rocky gets the number 5. So 5 plus 20 equals to 25. Oh, goes for Rocky between your drop. So this time I need an adult volunteer with my hybrid Pesobil. Once again, an adult volunteer with my hybrid Pesobil. Just raise your hands and my volunteer will choose one. Okay, I think we got one. Okay, so join your stage. You will notice the birds in our show are mostly parrots. It is because they are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically inclined, and they can remember even the smallest details. Hi sir, good afternoon. Welcome to the Dolphin Park. What is your name? All around us right now, that's Mr. Albert. Now sir, can you have the money? Okay sir, all you have to do is stand right here, facing this way, extend your left arm just like this. As I put your money between your fingers. Now, sir, do you have any idea what will happen next? Any idea? Now, let's see what's going on with bird Buddy. Buddy is also our Moluccan guy too. Now, sir, are you ready? Better be because here comes Buddy. Buddy flies over. And he gets the money and flies back. And I think Buddy will donate the money. Sir, before you go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? Well, your money will go a long way, and we are very, very grateful. You may now go back to the seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Are you okay? You look so sad. Sir, we're just leaving to offer the show. Please stand back here in front and I will give your money back. Sir, Buddy's saying something. Before Buddy gives your money back, Buddy wants to give you a kiss. Is that okay? Okay, sir, please stand right here. Look at your camera and offer your cheese. Yeah, sweet. One more. How about on your hand? Please open your palm, look at the camera, and smile. And now, sir, there is your money. Around for lucky guests. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you've met our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another species of bird here at Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey are also known as raptors, hunt and eat by other animals. The term raptor came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to take by force. These birds are characterized by their keen vision that allows them to detect prey during flight. They also have powerful talons and beaks. Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your left, presenting our floating eagle. All here comes home. Scientific name is Bulumensis. These birds can be found in Bohol, Samar, Leyland, Catanduanes, and possibly in Sibuya. And we are running by Jurgen Speed. Running outside the known as yes for English. One of the more highly important species of birds of prey around the world. These birds can found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, all China, including the Philippines. And here comes Shadow. They are locally known as Lawi or Balong in the science region. And now let us know more of our chickens. Wow, look at that. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons is the name. Homing really, meaning they will return to its nest and meat. Our longest term brownie types are chickens and our homing pigeons. Here at the Ocean Park, we believe that very small. We only not try to be here our friends in the sea, but we're also who are in land and air as well. Now guys, who knows that we are? It's with 2, 3 years and let's say over good. So here's our number once again, and they will show us the proper ways to full size. See, if our long words can do it, we believe that so can everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we all hope you enjoy our show. Our birds spectacular. Well, on our own way, no matter how small the efforts, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please let's all do our part in saving the world because remember, this is the only hope we've got. Now I will present to you the birds and the cheaters who made this show possible. Peter Birdie with Chaco. Peter John with Rocky. Peter Max with Buddy. Peter April with Speed. Peter Jean with Sassy. Peter Jared with Shadow. Peter Shaw with Roll. And once again, I'm Trainer Nike. Thank you and goodbye! By the way, guys, please remain in your seat because we still have a sea line show. Thank you!
After ng show, ang i-click po natin sa kabila.
Join us in welcoming the Manoj, Hunts, South American Sea Lions.
Alright, let's give it up for Sea Lion Friends! Wow, what a beautiful entrance! Good day, everyone, and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm trainer AJ, and I'd like to meet my friends together with the players one at a time. On the left side is the only male South American sea lion that we have, and he is the handsome one. Wow, confident! His name is Vincent. Together with trainer John, say hi! While on the other side is one of the youngest female South American sea lion that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the sexiest. Good, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Sandra. Together with trainer Jerry, say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea what are called feet or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey guys, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's beak. See those? That term Philippines we also translated as beak-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they're pretty flying underwater as they swim from place to place. Right, flying friends? As you know, they're often mistaken as seals because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a flash demonstration. How about us for sea lion friends? And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Check these out. So flexible, right? And around us for sea lion friends. As you can see, their body is covered with a thick coat of short coarse hair, and their whiskers have the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Nice smile. Hey. They also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like every mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shores, flat rafts with tide coasts, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check these out. Shorties are front flippers. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Vincent, the handsome one. Sea lions generally cruise around 11 miles per hour, using the rolling movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders for steering. And that is their normal speed. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Trainer John and Vincent. But when facing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to, ready, Sandra? 25 miles per hour. Wow, look at that. That is surely fast swim. Around us for Sandra, the sexiest. Great job, girl. Wow, nice line. And another one, she's asking for it. Well, sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. Okay, trainers, what's first? The rings. Go ahead and get the rings, sea lion friends. And they got it. Our first Vincent and Sandra. Wow, great job, guys. And another one. They're asking for it. Okay, so players, what balls? How do you think they get the ball? It's a ball pass. Careful, guys. Almost there. Careful. Steady and fantastic. How about us, Sea Lion friends? Wow, great job, guys. Now this time, would you love to see a dance number from our Sea Lion friends? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see them dance? Well, music maestro. Let's move it! Alright, you love your hands, everybody? Let's go! Now guys, show them the side by side. And the three-bird dancing. And into the water, the wonder body. Twist and turn it. Let's go guys. Wow, what a nice twisting, Sandra. And around the world we go, round and round. And on the other side, round and round. Now Sandra, show them the boogie dance. Boogie boogie, shake, shake, shake. Let's do this and bounce, bounce, bounce. And our favorite part, the boogie shake. Shake those booties. Shake here. Yeah, keep on rolling. Alright, Sandra, show them what you got. People are proud, spread your camera. Well, this is the best part. Stay and arriba. And for the finale, steady and let's go. Viva! Round of stars and line dancing for the queens as well. With that great dance number. Yes? Wow, sweet. Thank you, Vincent, Sandra, and Twiners. We hope all enjoy spending happy New Year with your newfound friends, South American Sea Lion, Vincent, and Sandra. And we also know that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like any marine animals, cannot survive in a trash-filled environments. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other vegetables surviving all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can remember about this instead of oceanarium. Always keep in mind that we're the steward of planet and dust. Each one of us must do on what we can to protect and conserve all the habitats of our Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Vincent and Trader John, Sandra and Trader Jerry, and all of us here at Aquatic and Renewal Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye to our Sea Lion friends. Bye! Once again, thank you for watching. Please exit